This is the construction for an altitude of a triangle. So I'm going to start by getting a triangle on my paper. It doesn't really matter what your triangle looks like. It can be any triangle. And again, this portion of the diagram will be given to you. They will give you the triangle and ask you to construct the altitude. Specifically, we're going to construct the altitude through point A to side BC. Okay, so first thing that we have to know is that an altitude is another word for the height of the triangle. So if I want a height through point A, it's going to look something like this. An altitude or a height is going to be perpendicular to the base of the triangle. So this is actually the perpendicular bisector construction again. What we need to make sure happens is that point A is kind of directly above, directly vertical to the midpoint of the segment that we're going to use, so that when we construct it, our altitude goes through point A. So what we're actually going to do is extend side BC just a little bit, specifically on this side. And then I'm going to start with my compass point on A, and I'm going to mark off 2 points on this segment that are equidistant from point A, meaning the same distance from point A. So for example, so this point right here, where that arc intersects my segment, and I'm going to do another, using the same size compass, I'm going to do another arc on this side. So this segment, where I'm putting my points, using these endpoints, I'm going to use this segment to make my perpendicular bisector. And when I do that, because they are the same distance from point A, the perpendicular bisector should go right through point A. So from this point here, using my compass point, putting my compass point there, again, my compass needs to be open more than halfway. I'm going to do the same thing, again, not from B, but from that other point that we marked. And then I'm going to draw my perpendicular bisector. And there it is. There is my altitude of triangle ABC. And we can use the same construction, the same steps to draw altitudes of other figures, such as quadrilaterals. We could do it for parallelogram, a trapezoid, any other shape as well.